In this episode, we're featuring a young business leader who has been in training her entire life to take over her family corporation, which her parents built from scratch. But outside her life in business, this millennial entrepreneur has achieved a lot of things. She is involved in public speaking, leadership organizations, and even national beauty pageants. Without further ado, let's all meet KC Reyes. Sometimes in life, we don't always get what we want. We don't get to do what we set out to do. Maybe the cosmos has different plans for us. Maybe we're being prepared for bigger, better things. Young businesswoman KC Reyes is all too familiar with this. As a little kid, she wanted to go to greater heights, literally greater heights, travel the world and experience different cultures as a flight attendant. But things worked out differently for her. Instead of training to give away in-flight drinks, she gave away flyers at malls as part of her preparation in what would become one of her biggest roles in life. Casey is born to entrepreneur parents. Her mother founded their family corporation, MF Reyes Realty, in 1999, while her father owns Greyhound Construction and Trading Incorporated. Needless to say, her parents greatly influenced her in being interested in doing business. As they say, start them young. So her mother did. Apart from distributing flyers to mall goers, Casey also made appearance at a few of her mom's meetings. So early on in her life, she already had a glance on the realm of real estate, where her mother is involved. At the time, she wasn't a big fan of this because it wasn't really what she had in her mind. But Casey says, in hindsight, she is thankful that she got to do all these things early on. It's almost as if she was given a head start, and it's because her parents inspired her to not just dream big, but dream bigger. Her exposure to the business of real estate at a young age did not only teach her the ins and outs of the industry, nor the theories or concepts or the jargons. More importantly, it taught her discipline and the positive qualities of a person in business and, of course, a human being too.
It actually taught me grit and persistence in the things that I want to achieve in life, because everything was not handed down to me, very easily. So I really had to work hard for my dreams as well.
Casey knows she's lucky to have been born to her parents, but everything she's doing now is a result of years of training and hard work. Like her parents, she also has her share of rainy days. It isn't always a smooth sailing journey, but she's grateful that she has her parents as her backbone, not just in her career as a businesswoman, but in her personal life choices too. And like any other person who's involved in running a family corporation, the Reyes family has faced many adversities too. One, Casey says, is the business model itself. Managing a family business sounds like a simple thing to do. But a businesswoman says it's not at all simple. In fact, it's a little bit more complicated because it's not easy to separate their personal and professional lives.
We are not spared from challenges, of course. MF Reyes Realty has gone through so many challenges, specifically during the pandemic, diba? Ang daming affected na businesses, and we are not spared from that. But really, the good thing about having a family business is that you have your own support team. So we cheer for each other.
Casey is the eldest of 3 children. Her younger brother is now preparing to take civil engineering board exams so he can help out in the family's construction business. While the youngest, Casey shares, is still pretty young and has a lot of time to contemplate what he really wants to do in life. But for this businesswoman, taking over MF Reyes Realty seems as though it is what she is born to do. She studied and trained for it, and so far, she has been succeeding. She graduated at the University of the Philippines, Clark campus, with a degree in business management. While she's been involved in running the family business since she was a little girl, she only officially joined the company in 2016, after 2 years of working as a marketing analyst in another company. In 2018, she also became an associate at Keller Williams Realty Philippines, an international real estate company headquartered in the United States. This thanks to her hard work, awards, and other accomplishments. In 2013, KC was top 8 at the Real Estate Appraisal Board exam. She was chosen by La Moody Philippines as the country's top trained broker. In 2020, she was top 7 among all takers of the Real Estate Consultancy Board exam in the Philippines. Apart from her formal training, KC has also picked a lesson or two from her experience in the beauty pageant world. At the age of 7, she joined her first ever beauty contest as a little Miss Barangay San Jose in San Fernando. In the next years, she joined school-based beauty pageants. In 2012, she was crowned Pampanga's Mutianing Sinukuan. In 2016, she joined Miss Philippines Earth, through which she wanted to use her platform to uphold her advocacy. She was able to bring home the title. All the same, she's grateful for the experience. The beauty pageant world taught her to be disciplined and well-rounded, to take chances, to live life with no regrets, and to do what you love with 200% of what you are.
I do not want what ifs in my life, could have been and would have been. I really want to move forward with passion, with dedication, and I do not want regrets basically in my life. And so I took the plunge. I took that leap of faith. When you go into something, you have to not only have 50% of it, but you really have to have 200% in order to achieve your dreams and in order to inspire other people as well to achieve theirs.
She gave it her all, and then some more, but perhaps the universe was pushing to another direction. So she decided to go back to her first love, real estate. But outside her life as a managing partner at MF Reyes Realty, KC uses her time productively. She is the Vice President of the Young Entrepreneurs of Pampanga, a group of young business owners in the province seeking to expand their network, widen their horizons, and empower fellow entrepreneurs, especially amid these trying times. KC is also an active member of the Toastmasters Club in Angeles City. She says the club has played a big role in both her career and personal life. This is where she knew she can become a leader and a good communicator, both of which she needs and uses as a managing partner at her family business. Now, KC works full-time at MF Reyes Realty, with her mom acting as her consultant. For more than 2 decades, she has been preparing for this role. Maybe there have been a few detours, but KC has always found her way back to real estate, which she considers not just a job or a business, but also her passion and purpose. She thinks of it as her parents' legacy, which she needs to take care of, so she can pass it on to the generation after her. So in the middle of this pandemic, she works extra hard to swerve the roadblocks. It's important, she says, to adapt to the times and the changes, the many, many changes. It helps, of course, that she is a digital native, so she makes use of the internet to do their business through digital marketing and virtual house tours, which she does herself.
Hi guys, welcome to the second episode of MF Reyes Realty Virtual Tours. My name is KC Reyes, your real estate princess. Today, I'm so excited to tour you in this 2-bedroom, luxurious and captivating modern American house and lot here at Avida Residences, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
There are a lot of positive things to say about KC, how she talks so enthusiastically and passionately about what she does.
It's the safest investment that one can ever have.
And how she keeps looking for ways to learn.
The learning doesn't stay at school. So when you graduate, what matters most is that you expose yourself to the right set of people. people.
and how she keeps getting up despite the setbacks.
Try. Even if you fail, even if madapa ka at times, you just go on, continue. Even if you fail, you stand up. Fail, stand up, and try again. Because of all those mistakes or failures, you become stronger, you become more dependent on God, and you become more wise to make sound and better decisions in the future. So just carry on.
Casey's story is far from over, but sometimes some things just need to be told, even as they happen. Thank you, Casey, for sharing that story with us. We are inspired.
My name is KC Reyes from MF Reyes Realty. Until then, see ya!